Hi, science classes. So for today, couple update things we're going to start with. We got new seats. They should have been already on the board. Hopefully you found your new seat before this is playing. Slight change to the computer policies. We're going to leave them out on the desk. So first hour and second hour, because first hour there's only 4 tables in use anyhow. First hour and second hour, you'll get them out based on the assignments for the specific tables. And then leave them on the table. 7th hour, you'll be the ones actually making sure that they get put away and plugged in. I think that should work out a little easier than what we've been doing so far. Hopefully that kind of relieves some of the stress, gives less headaches to people. One of the key things, we want to make sure that they are left on top of the desk at the end of the period, not pushed inside the desk. That's been a big issue that's been going on primarily in earlier periods in the day, it seems. So we just want to make sure that we're actually doing that appropriately. For our objective for today, same thing. I can understand the concepts of plate tectonics and how they form landforms. For today, we are going to be taking a look at our plate tectonic vocabulary, as you know. And so we've got terms. Some of these terms you should be familiar with from yesterday's notes, our intro activity that we did yesterday, as well as some of its spirals on what we did in the previous unit. And so what we're going to do is doing some paper plate tectonics for our vocab. So the intention will be that you'll have a picture on one side and a definition on the other side. And that corresponds to the same sheet that we have. It's going to be available on Google Classroom and available in paper copy, so you can use it whichever way you'd like. You do a definition and a visual, and so we're going to just do it, like I said, on our paper plates, definition and a visual. You can do it whichever way you'd like. You can do the definition on the quote top part and the picture on the bottom part, or you could do it reverse to that. You are going to be working with a partner. So since we just got new seats anyhow, you're going to be working with your shoulder partner. If there are groups that are triad, we'll discuss that when you come in. I'm probably going to just think in all the classes that have triads, I'm going to end up just moving person number 3 to partner with somebody else. But we'll discuss that in the individual class periods, as well as addressing, like if there's an absence or something like that, who then your partner would be. So basically the concept is working with a shoulder partner to create something that has a definition and a visual for it on our paper plates. And then we're going to be sharing those out so that everybody can have definitions and visuals added to their sheets, whether they do them on Google Classroom or do them on hard copy. And then we'll go ahead and use the paper plate tectonics as our basis for our word wall going forward and having that information going through this unit. So that is the plan for today. Tomorrow we should be starting into some notes, and then on Thursday doing a activity looking at how different plates move using sandwich cookies. Continuing with some notes on Friday. Reminder, on Friday I will be at a conference for tennis coaches. I will not be here on campus. So I just want to make sure that I am trying to mention that every day so it's no surprise to anyone. So that is the plan for today and for part of the rest of this week. I'm going to bring up those computer assignments right here. It should be pretty easy for you. It should, other than first hour, should already be on your table. So it should be pretty simple. But if they're not there, then obviously we'll get that addressed right now. Thanks so much, and happy Tuesday.